Hi guys, welcome to the Highrise Hostess. I'm Jess. If it's your first time here, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, thanks for stopping by. Today I wanted to go over the new product that's hit the market and driven people crazy the last few weeks. It's a 3-barrel curling iron, and I've used it for the last couple of weeks, and I love how quickly it curls my hair and how my hair will keep that beachy wave for days after using it. So I ordered this one off of Amazon. It's called the Pretty Queen. I think I paid $25–30 for it. I'll link it below so you can check it out. I've got the setting here to 190 degrees Celsius, somewhere in the middle. I like to use the barrels facing up when I curl, and I've started one. Just want to show you how simple and easy it is to use. So I've got a bunch of hair here. I'm gonna count to 15 seconds in my head. And then I'm gonna move it down to the next curl. And I curl the same section, the lower section, twice. So that's the first curl. And now I'll just section it off around my head and go all the way around in bigger chunks, just because I like the way that that looks. And if you do the smaller pieces, one, it takes a whole lot longer and is not necessary, and two, it just doesn't have that same consistent flow. So it doesn't look great when you first get it started, but when you get half, you can see it all come together. So when I was blow drying my hair, I used a heat protectant just to protect my hair so I wasn't damaging it using the curling iron or the blow dryer to get it dry. I'd recommend you doing the same. I use the purple Kerastase heat protectant. I'll tag that below in the comments for you as well. Looks like this one didn't get curled very much at the end, so I'm going to do it again. The whole point of beach waves is that they're not supposed to be perfect, so if you miss a strand here or there, or some don't get as curled as others, it gives it that more realistic, natural beach wave look. My hair is stick straight and usually never holds a curl, so when I first started using this one, I didn't have high hopes for it because it was an off-brand Amazon curler, and whenever I spend the 2 hours to curl my hair, it never holds. So I've been amazed at how well this works. So that was one side of my head using 3 chunks of hair. Pretty good. So for the bangs, I like to group it with more hair. Get it as high to the root as I can and clamp. I need to look what I'm doing. Okay, there we have it. So those of you who have stick straight hair like I do, my hair is long, it's very fine, but it's thick and I have a lot of it. And this didn't take me long at all. And this will stay for 2-3 days. By the third day, it's still curly, but I want to wash it. And the dry shampoo, I'm not a huge fan of it because I have lighter hair and it just looks greasier when it hasn't been washed. But this curler, I love it and I highly recommend it if you're looking to get that easy beach wave with little to no effort. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found it helpful. I look forward to seeing you again soon. I'll see you Friday. Bye.